Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys another simple volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys how the strategy works. Then I'll share with you guys the indicator setup. Okay, as you can see, we only have one indicator setup here, and the rest of them is just price action. Okay, but I'll be showing you guys how to do that also. So this is how the strategy works. Okay, so let me just start from this area here so that I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so the first condition for this strategy is that you are going to wait for price to get to the overbought level, as you can see here on the stochastic oscillator. Okay, so once price get to this level, okay, now the next thing you be waiting for is a break of structure. Okay, so in this case, let's say, as you can see, when price got to that level, it made this structure here previously. Okay, so let's say I'll be waiting for this structure here to get broken below before taking my sell entry, because this is a sell condition right now in the market. Okay, so I'll be waiting for price to break below it before I take any entry. Okay, and if it fails to break it, then I'm not going to be taking any entry. Okay, so this is basically the condition you need to wait for before taking any entry once it gets to the overbought level. Okay, so as you can see, price came down here and failed to break this structure. Okay, so with this failure now, okay, I'm not going to take any entry, so I can just decide to move my line to this area here and wait for this most recent structure here to get broken below before taking my entry. Okay, so now as you can see, price still went up, then came down. Okay, so as you can see, this time it broke below the structure, right? So it came down, broke. You can see a candlestick pattern here, something like a falling star. Okay, so you can decide to use that structure, that candlestick there, to take your entry and maybe place your stop loss above this area here, or you can shift it to this area here, whichever one that suits your account size. Okay, but make sure the risk management is okay with you. Okay, so that's how you do it. So once you do it like that, you place your sell, and then you are going to hold till it either gets to the most recent structure, or you can just take your entry based on the indicator window. You wait for it to get to the oversold level here, which is your 15 level, and you exit the market. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. Okay, so that is the sell example for this strategy. All right, so let me show you guys the reason why I took this entry. So based on this strategy now, you can see price came down to our oversold level here, okay, which is our 15 level right now. So now I'm waiting for a break of structure. All right, so actually I took this entry very late, but it's still valid, so I left it. I still took another entry. Okay, so now it went to our level around this area here. It went to our oversold level around here, which is this area here. So let's say we have our first structure around this area here, but price failed to break above it, so it formed another one here again, which is this one. You mark it, and it failed to break above it, right? So it made another structure here again. Okay, as you can see, so I waited for it to break above it, but unfortunately I was not around when it happened. Okay, so it broke above this level. So what I did is that I wait for another structure to be formed. Okay, so it formed a little bit of structure here again, as you can see. So I wait for price to come back into it, and then that's when I took my buy trade. Okay, So as you can see, I was kind of late, but it still worked out. Okay, so that is the reason why I took the entry around this area. Okay, so there are a lot of things you need to check before taking an entry with this kind of strategies. Okay, so that's why I say it is good to understand price action. Okay, once you understand price action, you are good to go. Okay, you are set for life. Okay, so and that's why I've decided to give you guys the free class on my telegram channel. Okay, so if you have not joined that telegram channel, make sure you check the description of this video, okay, and join. Okay, because I'm going to be giving you guys a free class. All right, I'll be teaching you guys all about forex trading from the basic class, from the beginning to the advanced level. Okay, so make sure you join the telegram channel, and you don't make sure you join the telegram channel so that you will not miss out on this great opportunity. All right, so for the zoom level for this strategy, the zoom level doesn't really matter. Okay, but I will just show you guys. You zoom out completely like this, right? Even this zoom level self is okay. Okay, you can use this one, and if you like, you can just zoom in again like this. Whichever one you use is good to go, but you need to see what you are doing. You need to see the candlestick pattern, and you need to see the structure. Okay, so that's why I prefer using this one like this. I prefer using this one, okay, because I want to see what I'm doing or what the market is doing. Okay, so that is what matters with this strategy. And mind you, in the telegram channel, I'll be sharing free signals. Okay, like this particular trade now, I give out the signal in the channel. Okay, so make sure you join because there are a lot of opportunity I don't want you guys to miss. All right, before I go, for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a like to show your support, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks guys. For the indicator setup, you are going to be clicking on this icon here. After clicking on it, you click on the main window plus icon here, then you search for your stochastic oscillator. Right, so you can see the gap period here is 50, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is close, method is exponential, levels we have 15 and 85. Okay, then you make the color red, and you make the pixel 2 or 3. Okay, you click on done. Now the main, you leave it at the default setting, which is the color green. You can see the signal here is color red, right? You can take it to, you can use 2 pixels for it, or you can leave it at 1 pixel, whichever one you prefer. So after that, you click on done. Right, that is all for the indicator setup. Okay, so that is it guys.